Good morning, student. Class 8th, Chapter 5 Toolbox. As the name suggested, the toolbox contains various tools that can be added to the forms by dragging and placing them at the desired location for creating an interface. These tools are referred to as controls in Visual Basic. Every form as well as control has its own set of properties, methods, and events. Property. A property refers to the characteristics of an object such as color and size. For example, the backcolor property lets us change the background color of an object. We can change the properties either at the time of designing or during the execution of the application. Method. A method is an action that can be performed on an object form. For example, the show method is used to display the form, and hide method is used to hide the form from displaying. We can call the method at the time of execution of an application. Event. An event can be throw of an curation of some user generated action applied on the object. For example, click event is dragging when an object is clicked using a mouse. Adding controls to the form. To add a new control to the form, following the given step. Step 1. Click on the desired control in the toolbox and bring the pointer on the form. Step 2. The pointer will change to crosshair symbol. Move the pointer to the desired location and drag the selected control. Step 3. The control will be placed on the form. Step 4. We can change the size, shape, and location of the control as per our requirement. Setting properties of controls. There are two ways to set the properties of a control. Design time. You can set the properties at the design time, which is when you are creating your project. Runtime. You can set the properties of the control at runtime, which is while the project is being executed. This can be done by programming. Design time. Once selecting the control on the form, the properties window display all the properties of the control. You can set off or change the properties from there, and the changes will appear on the form. For example, if you want to change the default text button, one of the button control, select it in the properties window, select text and type the new text. See display. Now the new text will appear on the button control. Runtime. At runtime, the properties can be set by writing the code for it. For example, the syntax to change the text on a control is control name text equal to new text. ये सिंटैक्स है, आप इसे रीड कर लेंगे। क्रिएटिंग द executing a Visual Basic application. Now let us understand how to create and execute program in Visual Basic 2015. Suppose we wish to display the message on the form by clicking button present on the from the state to create the executed this VB application are VB का full form Visual Basic. Step 1. Add a button control to the form. Step 2. Select the form and make the following changes in the properties window. Change the text of the form of messages. Notice that it appears on top of the form. Change the background color of the form. Click the box next to back color. A drop down menu arrow will appear. Click the arrow and select highlight. Step 3. इसके आगे हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में रीड करेंगे एंड आपका होमवर्क है रीड चैप्टर 5.